the purpose of this video today is to actually go through what you should do before you actually fly or use the Drone Harmony app. Over here I'm gonna just plug in. I've already done all this one. Okay, here you can see that the app does not connect automatically. I have the DJI Go 4 app and the Drone Harmony app. So what I'm going to put is, I'm going to press the DJI Go 4 app. I'm going to put only just once. It won't be automatic. Okay, it's collecting the firmware info, and I'm going to put Go Fly. You're going to check to see whether you have to do, most probably, in a lot of circumstances, the compass calibration and all that. Here everything seems to be fine. I'm going to check my camera settings. It's under auto. The next thing you want to know is to see whether the obstacle avoidance is activated or not.
Take off.
So you can see here, okay, it's going to check. Alright, the obstacle avoidance is functioning. I'm going to land now.
Landing.
Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to exit the app. Also you have to clear all the cache that you have by pressing clear all. Okay, now you're gonna plug in your USB cable again, and this time you're going to choose DH Mobile just once. The status of the drone will come out. Okay, everything is connected, and you can actually use the Drone Harmony app or DH Mobile app normally after this to do whatever you want. So this is actually a very short video, just to inform or just to show you what you have to do before you actually launch the Drone Harmony or the DH Mobile before you can use it. Okay, thanks for watching.